Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your account on Pinterest. On your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First, click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings and now click account management. And here you'll find deactivate account. Just click on it and click continue. And that's it. That's how to deactivate your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.